Offshore helicopters operate in challenging environments where exposure to freezing conditions, reduced visibility, or thunderstorms with high winds and lightning can be dangerous. Thunderstorm tracking can give decision makers vital information ahead of time to keep operations running safely and efficiently. Vaisala's Helideck Monitoring System integrates the world's most accurate global lightning data from Vaisala GLD 360, part of our X-Weather suite of weather and environmental data services. This gives pilots and helideck operators precise, real-time situational awareness of upcoming thunderstorms and lightning risks for efficient route planning without compromising safety. Anywhere, anytime. Single-point lightning detection sensors have limited data coverage, accuracy, and reliability with high maintenance costs, restricting your visibility of storms. The HMS has the best lightning location accuracy and detection efficiency worldwide, even outside the range of weather radars, through Vaisala's global lightning detection sensor network. It identifies over 99.9% of all thunderstorms and captures lightning location data with a median accuracy of 1 kilometer, without the need to purchase, maintain, or install your own lightning detection sensors. Vaisala Lightning Threat Zone enables detailed nowcasting of local upcoming thunderstorms and lightning and their trajectory within the next 60 minutes. The solution helps you to make more informed decisions about waiting on weather to minimize operational downtime, improve route planning, and reduce the cost and impact of weather-related disruptions. Confidently focus on your core business while mastering the weather for safe and efficient offshore helicopter operations. Visit Vaisala.com/Helideck Monitoring to learn more.